Alright, so today is October 16th, 2016, the day after the death of the King's procession. Right now we're in a tuk-tuk, and we're just going to see all the sights right now. He's taking us around. Today's a national holiday, so the government pays for a lot of different things, like the tuk-tuks, they pay the drivers, so it makes it a very low price for people here. So we're just going around and we're gonna go see what we can find. You ready?
Ready.
Yeah. Alright, so right now we're going to the first temple. The tuk-tuk driver is actually waiting for us, which is pretty awesome. So right here we're at the first temple. I don't know if you have to mind yourself a bit here because of today. So we might have to be a little bit quiet. We're gonna go look around and see what we can see. How are you?
He opened the inside. When you open the big Buddha.
Okay. Alright, so it's good luck to let these birds free right by the temple or by the Buddha, so we're gonna do it right here. Wanna do it on three?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Well, that wasn't good. That cat just took the bird. Okay, the guy doesn't believe us that the the cat ate the bird, but he did. I don't know if that's good luck or bad luck. That's crazy. So this is one of the Buddhas right here. And that's the really big Buddha. That's... Alright, so we just finished off seeing the big Buddha. We're gonna head back to the tuk-tuk driver right now, and we're gonna see where he drops us off next. Alright, a lot of the shops are right here down the street. We're going in the opposite direction because the traffic is so crazy. Just take a look at it. So you touch a stone for good luck.
This one more than 1,000 years old.
1,000 years old.
This one lucky Buddha. No, lucky. Happy
Buddha.
Chinese Buddha, not Thai.
Not Thai, Chinese Buddha.
Thai Buddha slim like you, like me. This one he eat too much.
He eat too much.
Because this area near Chinatown. What is safe for baby, for well, for this one more than 1,000 years old from India.
1,000 years old.
From India.
Wow.
Bangkok 250 years old.
We are stuck in a complete traffic jam right now. It's really, really backed up. All right, so right here we're at another temple. This one is called the Black Buddha. Here's the picture, or not the picture, but it's a statue right here. All right, so we just took about a 15-minute, 20-minute taxi drive to this market over here. It's pretty incredible. They have all kinds of awesome things, from food and drinks, clothing. The smells here are absolutely incredible. It's like a shock to the whole sensory system of what is going on right now. So I'll just give you a look around. Alright, so we found out where we wanted to go. This is the Chatuchak Plaza, as you can see right up here. So we're just gonna walk around. This is, they say, one of the cheapest markets here. It's on Saturdays and Sundays on the weekend, and they have essentially everything here. So we're just gonna look around a little bit and see if we can get anything, like some cool elephant pants or bags or things like that. You can see some of the stuff they have here. Bags and clothes, all kinds of different things here. All right, so we've been walking through this market for maybe about a half an hour now. I put the camera down just because I really wanted to soak in the moment there. A lot of times you can just lose out on the reality just by being in this camera. So just take a look out here. A lot of people. All right, so we just took a tuk-tuk ride that took about an hour. The guy totally messed up. We're here at this buffet right now. This thing looks so dope. I think everybody here is Thai. I think we're the only non-Thai people. What we have to do is we have to go up, get our food, and then we cook it ourselves on the table. So here's the food. And I think we have to cash this number in. And once we cash it in, we get a basket of food. We give this to you? Okay, it's the wrong person. Where? All the way at the end. Okay, okay. Oh, that's. I think that's for the fish. I think this is for the fish, like fresh fish. Let's go check it out. All right, we're gonna go check this out. Look at all the people that are here right now. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, so we gotta catch our own food right now. Here we're doing it. That's one, that's one.
Wait, can I do the whole that while you do this? this.
Yeah, you want to switch? Get one at least. Get one at least.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, we got another. Ooh, that one doesn't look good. That one looks really good.
Just fill the basket like that. Yeah. Come on, ladies. Please get our food. Switch Honda. All right, we're gonna switch real quick.
Yeah, go to the corner.
I'll switch with you. Shift over a bit. Oh yeah. That's one. All right, so right now they're freezing the shrimp. Right here. And I guess it's like killing them. So let's see what we got over here. They're looking at. All right, we got some clams, we got some crabs, we got some squid, we got some mussels, clams. All right, so our table is set. We got all our food. Check it. Oh yeah, we're about to grub now. Alright, so we just finished dinner right now with Christy and Jeff. It's awesome. It was awesome meeting them back from my hometown. Crazy that we're both in the same spot. But right now we're in a tuk-tuk heading back from dinner. What'd you think?
It was awesome.
It was pretty awesome. It was probably one of the most incredible experiences that I've ever had food-wise. Right now, we're on the bridge to get over back onto the side where the King's Palace is in that whole area. We're only about like 2 kilometers away from where we gotta go, but the traffic is so heavy right now, it's incredible. You can just take a look. It's back to back, and it's just about 10 o'clock, so people are fighting everywhere, spots these little scooters. It's crazy. So we'll probably be back home short, and that'll be the night. It was an awesome day, and we have some pretty cool things for tomorrow. All day.